Have you ever looked at yourself and wondered, what did I get myself into? That's how I feel right now.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Doesn't look like nothing.
Well, see, what happened is I've been chasing some electrical gremlins. So what better way than to just start from scratch?
I mean, what do you mean scratch? Like, how far are we going on this?
Like everything needs to come out of the car.
Oh boy.
And like the whole harness. See, this car's, like 50 years old. And it's been through some things. Some things I self-inflicted. So what better way to find your mistakes or to repair some things that are just old and kind of breaking apart than to just start from scratch.
Got it. So how are you going to do this?
That beautiful Painless kit right there. Do you want to look at it?
Yes.
So, when we were at the track last, I blew, you're going to pick on me, the cylinder fuses. What are they actually called?
Bus fuse?
Yeah, I call them cylinder fuses. I blew them at the track. Thankfully, there's other people there that had them, but this kit will actually update it to the, what is it called? Blade style fuse. And it comes with a bunch of goodies to get the job done. I should have brought the instructions out here because I love how they laid out their instructions and how in depth and detailed it is. So I'm not no genius. I don't know exactly how to wire everything up beautifully and perfect. I'm still learning. Their instruction book is like this thick, and it explains everything and explains how things work and how, every single component, how the current goes through it and goes back to the chassis and back to the battery. It just lays it out so well.
And what else is nice about the wires on this thing?
They're all labeled.
Yeah. And that's got, this kit has the firewall, so it's a lot like the factory kit, the factory GM. You got your firewall bulkhead, so this was the engine harness side. Obviously this is the interior side. Actually looks like it has a fuel pump relay on it, but the Holly has that. Oh, they don't know about that yet.
Oh yeah, we never did a video of.
We attempted to, and then sweated profusely and gave up.
Yeah, that was pretty rough. Well, the GoPro, the batteries kept on dying, and then we were hot and sweaty, and then I was still learning, so I'm asking you a bunch of questions, so grabbing the GoPro is just a lot.
We just failed at being YouTubers. We're not YouTubers. We just film ourselves doing, well, sometimes dumb stuff.
The seat got a hold of me.
Yeah.
I didn't notice that.
Super glue in the toolbox.
Yeah, it does work though.
So they gave you some battery cable. This looks like maybe a 6-gauge cable.
To be honest, I thought this was cool that they give you. So it's basically a checklist, and you can write all your part numbers down or what exactly you have.
Oh, gotcha. Did you chew the hole in it?
No, it came like that.
Okay. Oh, these are all your
Headlights,
pigtail connectors and stuff like that. Some heat shrink. Oh, that's a template for the firewall. That's nice. Stickers. We don't like stickers. Alright, and then I think these are like your headlight harness browns and stuff like that. You know how I could tell? It would be marker light brown, tail light brown. The camera won't pick it up. It doesn't want to focus on nothing. I promise that's what it says. Alright, so you have a lot of work to do.
Yeah. Should I show them my find on Amazon?
Oh, yeah, you can share that with them. I'm sure some of them would like to know.
So I wanted it to be as clean as possible, and sometimes seeing like a bunch of relays everywhere, you know, lined up, I wanted something that was a little bit more discreet and a little bit more clean, and I found this on Amazon that has, I guess if I turned it this way, you guys could read it. It has all the relays nicely organized, all the fuses, and it stays in a case. Very nice, very organized.
And then that'll be for the trans brake,
line lock,
possibly cooling fans.
Yeah, I'd like to try to put electrical fans on it at some point.
Maybe.
What other relays do I have?
We were thinking about updating it, if you ever update the trans cooler to one with a fan on it.
Oh yeah, and it stays pretty cool. It's like 160 at the hottest.
So you got that.
Yeah, and then I figured all of my aftermarket stuff I can put through here instead of trying to tap into the main block. I can put through here and have it on all separate, and then have one power wire coming from here to power this up.
Yeah, so that's a fuse block. So basically your goal is everything the vehicle needs, vehicle itself, turn signals, headlights, ignition wires, that's going to go through the factory Painless kit. Anything aftermarket that turns on the EFI or any aftermarket gauges,
that kind of
stuff is going to be separate from this. It'll all be powered through that. That way you have basically kind of like two systems, but no, it's not kind of, it is.
Two systems, but powered by one.
Right. So, because right now you have, which it's not hateful, but it's a relay here and a relay here. One's for the fuel pump, one's for the trans brake, and then the fuses to go with it, but that will eliminate all that stuff.
Here, I can let them see under my dash. It's really embarrassing.
You know, you're not the only one.
Yeah. Don't make fun of me.
Oh my.
It's a rat's nest. It's pretty bad.
So we gotta get rid of all that stuff.
Yeah, and then if you look at my current fuse block, there's so much stuff tapped into it.
Yeah, that's pretty ugly. Alright, well, oh gosh, I'm getting old. So right now you're getting the seats and everything out?
Yes. Yep, I got those two up there so far. The back seat is up on top of the shelf that you built.
Oh, up there. Okay. Alright, well, Skippy, you need a new battery for your GoPro, and you need to get to work.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to continue over here trying to organize my life of things. So we can make room on that shelf over there for all your stuff.
Yes.
All right.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Everybody sit in, we get bucket seats. Should.
Over the camera. Alright. Grab one of them blankets and put it on there. I hate to see that nice new tan seat cover be not tan no more.
Yeah, I've already had to clean it twice. But that tough stuff works pretty good.
Alright. And you, don't pee on it.
I feel like you just instigated him.
He does it just to be spiteful.
Only to your pillows.
Alright. Harbor Freight moving blankets for the win. Alright. Keep working.
Yeah.
Don't look at this. We're not talking about this yet.
Your poor financial decisions.
That's what I'm
between
gonna
what you
call
were
it.
just hiding and what's in the middle between our cars.
Yeah. No.
That's gonna be fun. I didn't process in this whole thing that I'm gonna have to pull my shifter out to get the carpet.
I thought the carpet was cut out around it. Sort of, kind of.
Exactly.
Oh. It's just 4 bolts. And I think didn't we, what you call it, riv nut that in there?
Yeah, I don't know if I can get it to slide. You give it a shot.
Hmm.
Should I take the sill plates off?
You're gonna have to get the carpet out.
Oh, this side. That side pops right out.
Oh, well, that's because somebody cut the carpet too short. Ah, there's the culprit.
He likes sitting in the car.
And he doesn't understand why you took his seat out.
Yeah, it's the only car we have that he can see out the back window easy.
How's it going?
Regretting my choices. Regretting my choices.
What's he doing under there?
See, Jenna very much liked this, what is it? Like
It's fuzzy tape.
yeah, fuzzy tape. I really, really liked it. I thought it looked so clean, so I wrapped all of my wires in it. Not thinking, oh, Jenna, you're gonna have to, pull it all back apart at some point so you can figure out what said wires are.
And here we are.
Yeah, and it gets sticky. Don't do it. Don't do it.
It's actually really nice tape, though.
It is really good tape. It is really good tape. I have it under the engine bay, and the tape hasn't melted or frayed or tore
The
apart.
funny thing is it's not very sticky until you stick it to itself,
Yes,
and then it doesn't come apart.
pretty much.
All right, well, you have fun with that.
Yeah, it's a great time.
I'm gonna keep. I actually don't remember what I was doing, so I'm gonna go.
Last I remember you were doing, you were washing the pit bike, and then I started hearing tools playing in the cart, and I don't know what you were doing.
Oh, okay. I'll figure something out. Well, you just have fun with that.
Thanks.
So what were you saying?
When I said you should film this.
Kids watch this channel.
Oh. I don't know what other word to call this.
No.
When you take 5 million washers and put electrical tape around them to hold the shifter in place where you want it.
Look, I only have one question. Did it work?
Yes. Yeah, it worked. It did work.
Yes, however, we shall address that at some point in the future. It's just, look, it's not a flat spot up there where it goes.
No, it's not. It looks like I got...
What happened over there? Hold on a sec. We got...
That's...
We need to fix that.
Yeah.
It's a little rough.
Yeah, well, look at this one over here.
What is it? Why does it look like... Did you go mudding in this thing?
No, but funny story is the guy that owned the car for like 30 some years, like his dad had it and then gave it to him when he was 16. He actually told me that he went mudding in this. He had a grand old time.
Looks like it.
I'm not gonna say the body isn't bad for someone that went mudding in it.
Look at that. We're saving money already. You know what? These things, they don't even make these things anymore.
The penny? Aren't they gonna stop making them?
No, I think they did. However, that means they're...
I don't know what to do with this.
Like, why are you getting frustrated?
I don't know what to do with it.
Well, we can take the cover off. And then we can take the cable off, and then
take it out.
You can remove it once you get rid of all the wires attached to it.
Yeah. My thing is, since I'm already here, I happen to have a floor pan.
Oh, yeah.
But I can't remember if it's the floor pan for the passenger or the driver.
It's up there.
Where?
Up there.
Oh gosh. How did that get up there?
Me and that.
Is that why I can't find anything in the garage anymore? You put everything up too high, I can't see it.
I honestly don't know what all's up there. That's where stuff goes when I don't know what to do with it, but I'm tired of tripping over it.
Yeah, I realized we never filmed us doing that either.
Oh yeah, the firewall.
Mm-hmm.
The rear firewall.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's keeps you from turning into a hot dog if something happens back here. You know, when things go awry. Alright. Well, you got the carpet and the seats out and started messing around with that stuff.
Yeah, I started labeling some of the wires because I had to disconnect them.
Yeah. There. Continue on.